Using GetFiveStars to collect customer feedback and testimonials provides a great way to understand customer sentiment and to build out content for a strong testimonial page or location landing page on your website using our testimonial widget. Now it can also be used to build out compelling content for your product, service area, or staff pages as well with our latest feature addition, the Tag Testimonial Widget. So let me show you how it works. First, you're going to add tags to your customer feedback. Second, you're going to generate a custom tag testimonial widget or multiple widgets depending on what you want to do. And third is to place those widgets on your website. Let me show you how to do this. So in this example, I'm at Aaron's Auto, and let's say that I wanted to tag some of my feedback for sales and some for service so that I could show testimonials from the sales and the service department independently. Okay, so I can go into any individual feedback item and I can add a new tag called sales. I can go then to the next customer, and let's say that this customer was in for service. So I can add these tags on the fly. I can also find existing tags as I'm typing them, and that's all I need to do. So now I've got a couple of existing feedback items that were tagged. When I'm adding a new customer, I can add tags at that point as well. So you'll see that you can expand the tags area and it'll show you all your tags. You can add new ones from here. And similarly, when you're importing customers, you can add these tags. It's optional, but you can add them to the spreadsheet as you're bringing them in. They're also supported in our API. So let me go and show you, once we've got some tags added, how to create the Tag Testimonials widget. So I'm going to go to the Testimonial Widget section. The main Testimonials widget, which we've had for a long time, is considered, we're calling that now the General Testimonial Widget embed code. And if I expand that, you'll see a very similar interface where I can grab the code and I can paste it onto my website. You'll notice a couple of new fields in this section though, and that is the URL of your testimonial widget and the anchor text. Now what this is used for, it's used for the badges and for the badge and the tag widgets so that you can link to your main testimonials page. So here's the idea. In order to set this up, let me just show you. When you first come in here, it's not going to allow you to activate the new tag testimonial widget or the badge embed code until you provide a URL. So it tells you up here, please add a URL. And all I need to do is go and give it the URL of the page that I put my testimonials widget code on. So I have the idea, I have a main testimonials widget page. Here's the URL. Here's what I want the anchor text to say. And I'll just change this so you can check it out. And then I say activate and it saves it and it says everything is active. Now at this point, I can now go into the tag testimonial widget and badge embed code. I can grab my summary badge. And just to give you a quick preview, to show you what I mean, here's that link. And it takes, if someone is looking at the badge and they see this link, here's the anchor text we specified. And if I click on that, it takes them to my main testimonials page. So what I want to do now is create some new widgets. These are the tag testimonial widgets for these different tags that I created. So I'm going to say create new widget, give it a name. So this one will be for service. And I get to apply tags. Here I'm going to apply the service tag. I could create new tags here as well, choose my theme, and that's it. I grab the code. I can choose if I want to include the feedback form on this widget or not. This is just a link for people to give you additional feedback. I can see a preview of what it's going to look like. And here you see I only have one testimonial that I tagged for this. So basically this is going to be a nice little widget, and then it can link through to our main testimonials with all of our testimonials on it as well. And that's how easy it is. Now I've got this widget, I can copy the code, I can paste it, put it on my website, no problem. I could create another one for sales. And we're going to go ahead and put that tag in here. I'm going to click the include feedback link, and now I've got two of these widgets that I can then paste. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to show you with a WordPress website using our WordPress plugin, but this code could go on any website, but I just want to give you an idea of how it works. So I've got this sales code right here. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go to WordPress, my WordPress site, and I'm going to add this called sales. Save the review code. I'm going to go back and do the same thing for service. So let me go to the service widget here, copy this code, and then create another widget here. Boom. Now I have one for sales, I have one for service, I've got a badge, and then I have the main testimonials page. So let me show you what it looks like. If I go to Aaron's Auto and I scroll down, you'll see the badge that I placed here previously, and this could go anywhere on your website. And if I click through it, it's going to take me to my main testimonials page. And this is where I have all my testimonials, okay? But now I've got these two additional pages, one for service and one for sales. So what if I just want to show the sales testimonials? I've got a page created. Now all I need to do is drop my code in there. So I'm going to go back to WordPress and I'm going to say for sales, this is the code I need. I've got a short code for it. I'm going to go to that page and I'm going to go to the sales page and just drop this short code in there and update it. While I'm here, I want to go to the services page and I want to do that too. So I'm going to go back, grab the widget code for service, which is short code number 21, and then I'm going to go back here. So I'm just using the WordPress short codes here and dropping them in on pages really easily. So service is here. Now I've got those widgets installed. And if I go now to my website and I refresh, now you'll see just the sales testimonials, only the ones that were tagged for sales. I can do the same thing for service. Great. So, and here you can see they also link back to my main testimonials page. So that's it. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, it doesn't require WordPress. You can do this on any site. I just wanted to kind of show you the example using WordPress. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is back at the customer dashboard. Anything that you've added as a testimonial tag will show up as a filter. So you can say, show me all of the customers or all the feedback that I've marked as sales. What we also think is really nice is when you go into these, let's say you go into one of them, we've got some new buttons in the customer profile here, this previous and next. So I can go moving through and it respects the filter I just applied. So I'm going to move through these customers. And then once I get to the very last customer, then it's going to bump me back out to the list again. So you can use that for anything, not just for tags. You can do it, show me all my promoters, and you can cycle through those and tag them if you want, or show me all feedback received and things like that. So you can use it for a lot of different things. So that is everything. I hope you'll give it a try and create some testimonial pages for different, products or different staff or different locations or different things so that you can show different testimonials on different parts of your website. Give it a try and let us know what you think. All right. Thanks for watching.